Alright, today I'm gonna answer to a question which pops up every once in a while on various different Canon EOS R7 Facebook groups, and that is, how can I set up my Canon EOS R7 to record RAW files on card number 1 and JPEGs on card number 2? And I'm pretty confident that I can do this in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. Alright, as a very first thing, we are gonna go into the wrench menu right here, the first one on top, record functions plus card/folder selection. From here, we are gonna take the photo recording options and we're gonna change this auto switch card into rec separately. And then we're gonna head back into camera menu to the image quality and we are gonna select card 1 as RAW right there, and card 2 as, well, you can choose basically whichever size JPEG you want to record. I usually use the large one if I use this option, which I normally don't. Alright, there you have it. Simple and straightforward, and I even broke the 3-minute timer this time, so good on me. Now that's all I have for you guys for this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe if you have not done so already. Thanks as always for watching, and as always, I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.